guys, welcome back to another video. How everyone is keeping. Guys, thanks for subscribing to the channel. Guys, today I am going to be making a drink from some snake beans. Now these beans, they are not string beans. They are longer than string beans. They call them snake beans, but taste like string beans. So I'm going to be making some juice with a piece of ginger and some apples. So guys, I've did some research on the snake bean, and it is loaded with antioxidant. It reduces cancer and many more. So I'm gonna wash them and I am going to get back to you guys to show you all that I've been doing. I might cut them up, I might not cut them up, might just feed them in the juicer chute just as they are. And this is so good for high blood pressure also. It has calcium, iron, copper, magnesium, and I'll be doing a dish also with this, a special dish. So guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna wash them with a little baking soda and lime juice, rinse them off, and I'll come right back and get into the juicing. Just before I wash them, I just went in the fridge and wanted to show you the string beans. So you see how different it looks, and you look at the snake beans. That's it. So one is long, and I don't see the snake beans have this little thing. Let's get into the juice. Yes, I've washed them, all my snake beans, and if you see the end, it's just the color, guys. It's not spoiling, it's just the color. At the end of the bean, it has this color. So guys, I've washed everything and we are gonna get into it. I'm just gonna cut my ginger up first though. So let's get into that little part. Guys, you remember my apple core? The apples are small, but you can still use the core and pour. Just turn it gently like this and push forward, just like that. So everyone should try and get an apple core. It's a very handy little tool to have to use. So guys, I'm gonna start by putting my apple in. This juice is very nutritious, and I'm gonna put in some of my snake beans. I'm gonna put it in the other chute that the carrot can go in and all of those, so I'm just putting it in that section. So guys, the snake bean, it has calcium and vitamin B6, B12. They are so good. These beans are low in sodium and rich in the source of iron, fiber, potassium, and zinc. So guys, I did some research, so I'm popping some more of my beans in, and they are also called Chinese long bean, snake bean, or dark green bean. Well, they are thin and long, and up to 90 centimeter they can grow in length. So we're gonna have a look at the juicing bowl. It is almost full. So now I'm popping another apple in. So I am making 2 batch of juice today. So this is the first batch, guys. I'm putting the ginger in, and that will just crush. This screw will crush it so good. So guys, here you have the screw going around and crushing everything to turn everything into a lovely juice that is loaded with benefit for our bodies. So guys, this snake bean can be eaten raw and it can be cooked. Yesterday I cooked some and it was so delicious. Guys, I'm gonna let out the first batch of my long bean juice or snake bean juice. So guys, a little ginger, a little apple. So I'm gonna attempt to do a second batch. So guys, this is what I have left of the long bean. So I am going to proceed by making my second batch of juice. So I have apples and I have beans left. So guys, let's get straight into the juicing. So guys, here we are again. We're gonna pop our apples in and we're gonna do the same thing as we did before. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers for your lovely support. So guys, here I am using the feeding chute. This is designed to put carrots in, so I'm using it to put my beans in. So guys, look at the drink. It is looking so lovely, mixing well. Guys, I'm gonna just attempt to let out my second batch of juice. This is loaded with benefits, guys. So this is my new drink, long bean drink, snake bean drink, whatever you want to call it. That's what the bean name. It has different names and I will list them in the description box for you guys. So guys, my drink is finished and I am going to attempt to do a decoration, not anything fancy. I'm going to use one of the snake beans and I think I'm going to use a toothpick, because this is the only thing I think can hold it together, and push it through just like this, and then I'm gonna pop it over my jar, and I'm gonna pour my drink in my new jar. And I'm gonna pop the lid on, or the cover, whichever you want to call it. And then I'm gonna use my metal straw that's it. I'm gonna add 1 apple and the ginger, and I think I will just put some of this like that, just not too much. Just try to do a little decoration with the snake beans. So there you have it, guys. That's my little decoration. I just throw them around, and this helped to boost your immune system. So guys, this is a drink that you should try. It has vitamin D in it, B in it, sorry, not D, B. And it also helps with sleep patterns. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend, and I hope everyone will try out this snake bean, or what you call it, the long beans. Bye for now. Tasty, yummy. Tastes good, guys. You see, I had a good drink out of it.